Some Amazon gadgets are so advanced, they almost feel illegal to own. From devices that can see through walls to pens that record everything you say, these 5 futuristic gadgets will make you feel like a secret agent in 2025. First up, this portable see-through scanner. It uses radar imaging to detect objects behind walls, like pipes, cables, or even hidden studs. Originally designed for professionals, but now anyone can buy it online. It's like having X-ray vision right in your hand. Next, the smart voice recording pen. It writes like a regular pen but secretly records high-quality audio. Just click once to start recording meetings, classes, or conversations, all saved automatically to your phone. It's discreet, professional, and insanely smart. Number 3, the Pocket Drone. It folds down to fit in your palm but still shoots 4K video with GPS tracking. Launch it with one button and it automatically follows you, perfect for travelers or content creators. Tiny, silent, and looks straight out of a spy movie. This one's wild, a digital lock-picking tool that uses vibration sensors to decode locks in seconds. It's meant for locksmiths and security testing, but the tech behind it feels straight out of a heist film. Definitely one of the most "should this even exist" gadgets online. And finally, the hidden camera detector. In an age of privacy concerns, this tiny gadget can scan any room for hidden lenses, bugs, or spy cams. It's super compact and lights up when it detects anything suspicious, a real-life spy gadget for everyday safety. So there you go, 5 Amazon gadgets so futuristic, they almost feel illegal to own. I've added links to every product in the description and pinned comment, so check them out before they vanish. And if you love discovering crazy Amazon finds like this, make sure to subscribe for more.